Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond the Horizon, the power of foresight. Ladies and gentlemen, human life is shaped not only by what is seen, but by the ability to sense what lies ahead. This capacity to look beyond the horizon is foresight. It enables preparation, resilience, and continuity. Across time, foresight has distinguished survival from collapse, growth from stagnation, and progress from short-term gain. Science confirms that the human brain is built to anticipate. Neural systems continuously assess patterns, project outcomes, and prepare responses. Biological rhythms regulate energy, recovery, and focus, allowing life to function with balance. Human intelligence, by design, is forward-looking. Ancient civilizations understood this without modern terminology. Human existence was seen as a part of larger energy system governed by order and rhythm. Life was approached with awareness that energy could be received, generated, and shared. Through discipline, stillness, prayer, and conscious action, individuals aligned with this cosmic intelligence. Energy received through awareness sharpened clarity. Energy generated through purposeful effort built strength and courage. Energy shared through knowledge, service, trade, and protection strengthened society. From this balance emerged foresight. Such foresight shaped food security, shelter, health practices, skill mastery, culture, and governance. Respect for the five elements was practical intelligence rooted in sustainability. Living in alignment with natural rhythms enhanced physical endurance, mental stability, and ethical judgment. Duty was recognized as responsibility toward future life, not merely present comfort. Knowledge played a central role. Learning was continuous about nature, self, skills, and consequence. Knowledge expanded awareness, and awareness strengthened foresight. The present age carries a distinct advantage. Access to information and knowledge has expanded beyond precedent. Learning is no longer limited by geography or time. This availability offers a powerful opportunity for self-development. When knowledge is absorbed with discernment and applied with responsibility, it becomes a strong generator of foresight. Yet, challenge remains. Speed, distraction, and overload can fragment attention. The capacity to pause, reflect, and integrate knowledge into wisdom has weakened. The issue is not lack of access, but lack of alignment. Foresight emerges when knowledge, awareness, and responsibility operate together. It is not prediction, but preparedness. It is the ability to act today with understanding of tomorrow. What's the way forward? The way forward is realignment, strengthening inner clarity alongside external skill, using modern knowledge as a tool for awareness, not noise. Relearning how to receive energy through balance, generated through disciplined effort, and share it responsibly. Looking beyond the horizon while acting fully in the present ensures that progress strengthens humanity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the revealed Bhagavad Gita offers steady encouragement through the words of Lord Krishna. Therefore, perform your duty with steady focus without attachment. Foresight is this steady focus, guided by knowledge, strengthened by awareness, and expressed through responsible action. When foresight leads human effort, advancement becomes sustainable, dignified, and worthy of the future it seeks to create. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.